Okay, here is our revised kitchen to size and scale. The bar area has gotten a little bit narrower due to this coffee cabinet and the 42-inch fridge. So our glass cabinets come all the way that will sit on the countertop. We have an 1.5 inch wide piece on this side, as well as one that will continue down to the floor. The exposed interior with clear glass and glass shelves. I have a standard cabinet and a drawer stack here. We can make those either or both the same. The upper cabinet above the fridge is, the hinges will be on the top because that cabinet's only 9 3/4 tall. The refrigerator's 84 tall. So that will hinge up. This would be a coffee cabinet here. The hinge mechanism that I recommended, after looking into it a little bit more, it's just not going to work because this is it, and it doesn't raise up enough. The highest we can have that door is 22 inches. So if we make this, the bottom of that door at about 36 or countertop height, it just doesn't raise up enough out of the way without it being too close to your face. So we can just make this a fixed shelf on the inside here, 30 inches wide, where these would just be double doors that open up for the toaster oven and coffee. And we need that cabinet wide enough anyways to get both those appliances in here. Double ovens, a drawer below, doors above. .36-inch cooktop, tray divider on the right, spice rack on the left. All three of those cabinets are stepped out about 3 inches with the toe kick coming out flush right here. We'll have a little recess there for the needed toe kick space. Big drawer stack on the left, Lazy Susan in the corner, floating shelves, 13-inch deep cabinets. Our hood space here. This upper L-shaped cabinet, trash, apron sink, 3-drawer stack with panels coming down to the floor. Typical upper cabinet. The back side of this first large island, this is the ice maker, standard cabinet, drawer stack. And on the other side of the island, facing the cooktop, that's awfully difficult to look at that way. Microwave, built-in microwave. This is the sink cabinet, so actually this would be, we would have to get rid of this and get rid of that. So it was just, there we go, sorry, okay. So this is the sink cabinet. And then that ice maker right here, microwave there, and we got rid of that decorative shelf. So we don't have the radius bar top on here, but this second island, looking at the front, the back of it is just the shaker panel, and the sides are shaker panel. So this is the side facing the cooktop. We have just a 3-drawer stack and 2 standard cabinets left and right. So there we go. Let me know what you think, and we can make some tweaks to it. And of course, this is the island top where she wanted the walnut butcher block. All right, thank you.